educational comedy starring Vivi and Vivian, the twins, Ellie, the nerd, and Layla, the obsessed one. And me, Jasper, the ladies' man. Okay. A long, long time ago.
It wasn't that long ago, because according to myself, it was 24 hours and 5 minutes. Exactly.
Okay. 24 hours ago and 5 minutes ago.
We were filing our nails.
You guys are ruining this intro. We were walking through the forest trying to discover a new species of flower.
Jasper, I wrote my number on the sleeve if you want it. How could you do that? You took a leaf from the undiscovered species, and you ruined it. You're a monster. A monster. Get that phone away from my face.
Jeez.
Let's go back to our lab. Hashtag go okay.
Jasper, you're not invited.
Yes, he is. Come on, Jasper. We're gonna go get some pizza.
Are you okay handling this by yourself, Ellie?
Yes, I can be left alone and dissect a flower by myself. Thank you very much. This here, I have a flower. These are the petals. The petals attract pollinators. Pollinators are bees, birds, man, insects, and bats. These are the filament. These are the anthers. The filaments support the anthers. The anthers contain the pollen grains. This whole thing is...
Oh,
That was delicious.
I brought you pizza.
Oh, where is it?
It was a long way up the stairs. You would have gotten hungry too.
Boys.
So, what happened with the flower?
I found out that the ovary, the ant, was in the ovary and it was eating the seeds. No. You guys know anything about flowers?
Kind of.
I'm just here for my little Jessie West.
No. Oh, guys, I got you some goggles.
Thanks. Especially since we'll be experimenting a lot.
There you go.
You need something?
Ah, yes.
Oh my god. I need to see my mirror. Okay. Sit. Okay, so let's learn about the parts of a flower and what stages it goes through to grow. Okay, the first step is pollination. I know what pollination is, Ellie. You can sit down now. It is when pollen is transferred to the stigma from the anthers by pollinators. Petals attract the pollinators. Pollinators are bees, man, or animal. The petals attract it because of the pretty bright colors.
Like purple?
Also, the second step I know is fertilization. This happens when the flower is pollinated. During this step, the ovule becomes a seed. But I forgot what the next step is.
Ladies, let me impress you with my manly and smart skills. Next, the ovary becomes the fruit. Then the seeds of the fruit can blow away.
Actually, instead of blow away, it's called seed dispersal. I thought you knew that. Seed dispersal, it can be caused by the wind, water, and pollinators. As you can see, I have a seed dispersal chart right here. It's broken up into 3 rectangles. Right here, we see seeds getting carried by the wind. Here, we see water carrying the seeds to a different destination. And here, we see a pig fox carrying seeds to another destination by its fur. Okay, also, Jasper, that was really an interesting that you knew that type of stuff. I always doubted you.
I always knew. So, what's the green thingies at the bottom, kids?
Those are the sepals. The sepals protect the flower while it's still in its little space. That means when it hasn't bloomed yet. And now let's talk about the style. Reese and Maddie. The style! Wait, the style right now is overalls.
And scrunchies.
Not that type of style. Not that type of style. The style is the part of the flower that supports the stigma.
Can we talk about the stamen, dude?
Yes, Jasper, you asked me. The stamen is the male part of the flower, which contains the anther and the filament. I know what the anther and filament is. The filament supports the anther, and the anther contains the pollen.
Whatever. Now the pistil, girls, I think you will like this part. The pistil contains the ovary, the style, and the stigma. And last but not least, germination is when the plant finally grows. What shall we call it, guys?
Oh, I have a chart. 1 minute.
See what he has. I guess. Sound like it's going to be anything interesting. I mean, hello, Jasper.
Sit down. Well, I know that flowers are named by Latin words and their attributes. Lavender. Do you know what lavender means?
Love at first sight.
Yes. Well, I'm thinking of calling it Novus Sum Novus. Novus means new in Latin, and sum means I am. I am new.
Oh, I think I need to take part in here. Jasper, your ideas are never ideal. Okay, it's hard to break it to you, but it's just true.
Well, let's take a vote. Who votes for Sum Novus?
So what does that mean again?
I am new.
I'm not new though.
You're only voting with him because you like him. You love him.
No.
Yeah.
All right, whatever. You take the chart. You find a name.
Well, all on here is your ideas that aren't true. Apparently you don't like his ideas.
I vote that we name it this our delicious flower.
No, you're just saying that because you're all sparkles and rainbows.
No, your life is all science and science and science and math and
Because
science.
All right.
That's what gets you to Harvard.
Ladies.
I don't not go to
All right,
Harvard. I
this
am
one I think
cool.
you're going to agree with. Novus Orbis. Novus means new. Orbis means world.
New world.
New world.
We already
Like a
have
whole
a world.
world, like in a Latin.
We already had a new world.
What do you
I
want
say
to
we
do?
go for my idea.
What do you want to do?
How about don't let Jasper ever name a flower?
I like it.
So let's take a vote. How about the class? What? I'm sorry, I can't hear you over all the rainbows.
Fine. How about we just name it I am new?
No, let's take a vote.
No, because that's from your brain. And your brain doesn't work correctly. Say it.
Pollination.
Pollination.
A musical. It's a